You never understood yourself. You never understood the gifts that you were given in terms of the higher faculties of the mind and the major thing to think. We think when we read a book and we regurgitate the book. That's not bloody thinking. That's a regurgitation. Anyone, years after I went, well, when I studied to become a certified financial planner, I did a course on how to memorize. And for the first time, I realized, but you can. It's a skill. If you know how to do that, I would pass with distinction all my bloody subjects with a minimum amount of time. But no one has taught me how to memorize stuff and how to make the hook so that you can give it back.
Yeah.
Right. So, yeah, this is the. If you don't know the potential and you don't know how the system confoculated you, how the hell are you going to, Peniel, get out of the system? We get degrees, and the more degrees you get, the more confoculated you become. Because you can't show me that you can get 100 and 200 and 1,000 and 3 million% growth on an idea, which is one of the greatest properties there are, right?
Brought to you by Insightful Daily. Like, share, follow, and subscribe.